The South Korean Army and Marine Corps held live-fire artillery drills near North Korean border to bolster their deterrence against North Korea's provocations. The artillery exercise mobilized 30 units of K-9 and K-55A1 self-propelled howitzers, as well as counter-battery radars and surveillance drones. The Ukrainian military has chosen the Turkish-made Escort BTS-12 shotgun to counter threat posed by FPV drones. The semi-automatic shotgun is capable of engaging targets at distances of up to 120 meters, with a firing rate of 10 shots per minute. Japan has awarded contract to Milram Robotics to supply 3 Themis unmanned ground vehicles for supply transportation and intelligence missions. The goal of ground self-defense forces is to fundamentally strengthen its defense capabilities with unmanned assets in order to gain asymmetric superiority while limiting human losses. In a deal worth $24 million, the U.S. Navy has urgently ordered the EAGLS counter-unmanned aerial systems that use laser-guided 70mm rockets to protect American forces in the Middle East.